Hello everyone watching. Today let me show you a quick DIY on chrome bar and mirrors that can be used on any motorcycle that you want. So this is a generic pair of bar and mirrors that I bought from Amazon. It was around 350-400 rupees at the time when I bought it. And this was originally matte black powder coated. So I went to a local paint shop, I got the paint removed and I got the bar and mirrors chromed, and that costed me around 250 rupees and that's for the pair. Now originally I installed these mirrors on the bike just after a couple of steps. I got these, I got the paint stripped off, I got it chromed and I installed it on the bike. And that was one of the biggest mistakes that I did for these, because this material of the mirrors, this is not steel, this is aluminium, and aluminium tends to oxidize and form a whitish layer on everything. See, aluminium is here, aluminium oxidization, even here. So this is aluminium. So now when aluminium is polished very well, it looks just like stainless steel, but it does not have the stainless steel properties. Now, so what's the best solution? The next best solution to that was to get this chromed, of course, which I did. But this chrome is not the best quality chrome. See, now you get chrome bar and mirrors on Amazon as well, but they cost around 1600-2000 rupees for the pair, which is even a worse quality than the ones that I have, because that chrome it's very bad, it's terrible. Now this chrome that I've gotten on these bar and mirrors, it's around 15 microns thick, which obviously is not enough for water to not penetrate inside. So what I did was, after every couple of months, when the oxidization layer used to form here, I used to get it re-chromed and just put it back on the bike and go about my days. But after doing that for multiple times, now this is I think the 4th time I'm getting these re-chromed, I'm genuinely tired. So what I thought was, I went to a paint guy and I told him to get these mirrors coated with a clear coat of lacquer, which is used on paint. So there is a problem there. So since this is a ultra smooth surface, the clear coat does not stick, and he said that it would start peeling off in a couple of days. So no luck there. But I think I found a solution. So I bought something on Amazon. Let me show you quick. So I bought this on Amazon, which is a type of a clear coat, I think, but this is different than what is used on cars. Now this is the other pair of the same mirror. So this already has a coat of clear coat of this paint, of this clear coat, and it's already dried. So before doing that, what I did was I took sandpaper and I tried to scuff up the entire area. I just tried to make it rough so that this sticks and does not peel off. And after one coat, it looks pretty promising. It's not coming off, and I do not think water is going to penetrate inside. Now to give you an idea of how corrosive just water and salty air can be, see this handlebar that you see here, this went through a 7-step chemical process for cleaning it before it was chromed or powder coated. So even this was matte black originally, and I got this chrome, but this I made this go through a 7-step chemical process before to just get it cleaned up, and then I got it chromed. But even after that, in the rain, this has picked up a lot of rust. And this part here, this is from the factory itself. This is a factory chrome, but water did not spare this as well. Now to save all these precious chrome parts from getting damaged, I'm using that, and after using that, this has become this. So this is scuffed up, this is sanded down, and I applied a coat of clear coat, and this is how it looks. So now I have a brand new pair chromed So I will apply a clear coat on that and see how good that works. These are the freshly chromed pair of bar end mirrors. So now this is going to get maybe 2 coats of clear coat. First one I will do it right now, and second one I will see how the first one turns out, and if it does require the second coat, we'll do the second coat as well. I'm not scuffing up the surface of this because I want to see if anything goes wrong. I want to see if it peels off if I do not scuff off some smoothness out of this. And also I have this. So this is a headlight grill that I made for the GT650. So this goes here, and this is also going to get 1 coat of more paint and a coat of clear coat, because this I originally did this black powder coated, but what happened was, since the headlight gets very hot, the powder coat on this grill used to degrade and it just came off, it started peeling off. So I got this grill painted in black, gloss black paint, and also 1 coat of clear coat. But yesterday it fell from my hand and there's some damage on the grill right now. So I will paint this again, and also I will apply a coat of clear coat on this, and let's see how it turns out, hoping for the best. So the clear coat is done. I just gave it a coat of clear coat, and this is how it looks right now. It's bubbly, it's got a lot of spots at the moment, but I think after it dries, after I leave it in the sun for a while, it is going to turn out different. And even the grill, so I gave this a coat of black acrylic paint, spray paint, and this is about done. So all the paint that was removed when it fell is rectified, and even this will get a coat of clear coat, and let's see how it turns out. So right now I've left it in the sun because I think we're gonna have a problem, Houston. These bubbles are not looking promising, and hopefully if it remains in the sun, maybe the bubbles will go. It's been a couple of hours since we sprayed these with clear coat, and the bubbles are still here. Well, I thought that exposing them to the sun will take the bubbles out, but that did not work. And this is 1 layer of clear coat, and I don't think another clear coat layer will do any good to it, because these bubbles are going to stay. But it looks like these are pretty well sealed, and I don't think water is going to seep in. So for now, for this pair of bar end mirrors, this is it. But on the other hand, the grill that we painted, that has turned out great. The paint looks very good, and the clear coat has given it a proper seal, and now I think it's become a bit weatherproof. I don't think this is going to flake off, whereas I am a bit doubtful for this. But for this pair, this is probably it. I have a couple of other pairs that I will try to work on. Maybe that will work differently. I will try painting them in chrome and then getting a clear coat done. So maybe stay tuned for that, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.